So in this video I will show you some of the simple sums just to know how to make use of standard forms and algebraic formulas. So we'll start with simple sum, how to apply the algebraic formulas and how to apply the standard forms I will show you. First one, I will take y equals to x square plus sin x. The method you can use in all sums. This will be common method. First step, you have to see in which algebraic form it is. It is in the form of u plus v. So to apply u plus v formula, so you can write dy by dx equals to d by dx of x square plus this is d by dx of u, d by dx of sin x. Once you apply algebraic formula, next you have to go for application of standard forms. So dy by dx equals to, so derivative of x square you can use x raised to n formula, that is n into x raised to n minus 1. Value of n is 2. So 2 into x raised to 2 minus 1 plus derivative of sin x is cos x. So 2 into x raised to 2 minus 1 is 2x. So this is 2x plus cos x. Next we'll go for y is equal to e raised to x minus sin inverse of x plus x cube. So dy by dx is, so d by dx of e raised to x minus d by dx of sin inverse of x plus d by dx of x cube. For all you have to apply dy dx. Next step, you should go on writing derivatives. Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. Derivative of sin inverse of x is 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. Derivative of x cube using x raised to n formula, 3x square. N into x raised to n minus 1. Y equals to x cube plus x square plus 1 upon x plus 1 upon x square. So dy by dx will be d by dx of x cube plus d by dx of x square plus d by dx of 1 upon x plus d by dx of 1 by x square. Derivative of x cube is, you can use x raised to n formula, 3x square. Derivative of x square is 2x. For 1 upon x, you can think power is 1 here. 1 upon x raised to n formula, that is minus n upon x raised to n plus 1. So it will be minus 1 divided by x square. And this will be minus 2 divided by x cube. For both you have to use 1 upon x raised to n formula. So next we'll go for y equals to log x to the base e plus root x plus tan inverse of x. So dy by dx is d by dx of log x plus d by dx of root x plus d by dx of tan inverse of x. Now you have to apply standard forms for all. So derivative of log x is 1 by x, root x is 1 by 2 root x, tan inverse of x is 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Next we'll go for y equals to x square e raised to x. You have to use u into v formula. So dy by dx, you can apply the formula first. U into derivative of v, x square into d by dx of e raised to x, plus v into derivative of u, e raised to x into d by dx of x square. Wherever d by dx is there, you should go on writing the derivatives. So it will be dy by dx equals to x square into derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x, plus e raised to x into derivative of x square is 2x. So dy by dx equals to e raised to x is common into bracket x square plus 2x. Next, y equals to 2 raised to x into log x. Again it is u into v. 2 raised to x is like a raised to x. So dy by dx will be, total is u into v, 2 raised to x into d by dx of log x, plus log x into d by dx of 2 raised to x. So dy by dx is 2 raised to x into log x is 1 by x, plus log x into derivative of 2 raised to x is 2 raised to x into log 2, because a raised to x is a raised to x into log a. Instead of a it is 2, so it is 2 raised to x into log 2. So this is same as dy by dx is equal to 2 raised to x divided by x plus 2 raised to x into log x into log 2. So next we will go for y equals to 2 sin x. Y equals to 2 sin x. So dy by dx is, 2 is constant here. You have to apply c into u formula. So it is 2 into d by dx of sin x. So it is dy by dx equals to 2 times cos x. Y equals to 3 divided by x cube. Again it is, we can write this as 3 into 1 divided by x cube. This is again c into u formula, where c is 3. So we can write dy by dx is 3 into d by dx of 1 divided by x cube. So it is 3 into derivative of x cube is minus 3 divided by x raised to 4, using 1 upon x raised to n formula, minus 9 divided by x raised to 4. So next we will go for u by v formula. So this u by v formula, y equals to x divided by sin x. Y equals to x divided by sin x. Now this is u by v formula. So dy by dx equals to, according to formula, it is sin x into d by dx of x, v into derivative of u minus x into d by dx of sin x, that is v into derivative u into derivative of v, whole divided by v square, whole divided by v square. V square is sin x whole square. Sin x whole square is sin square x. Now wherever d by dx is there, you should go on writing derivative. So it is sin x into derivative of x is 1 minus x into derivative of sin x is cos x, whole divided by sin square x. So it is sin x into 1 is sin x minus x cos x, whole divided by sin square x. Next we'll go for one more sum, same type. Y equals to log x divided by x. So dy by dx is again u by v. So it is v into derivative of u, x into dy dx of log x minus log x into dy dx of x, x into derivative of log x minus log x into derivative of x divided by v square, that is x square. So this will be x into derivative of log x is 1 by x minus log x into derivative of x is 1 divided by x square. This is value of dy by dx. So if you simplify this, x will get cancelled. Dy by dx equals to 1 minus log x divided by x square. Next we'll go for one more sum. Y equals to x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1. Again it is u by v. So dy by dx is x square plus 1, x square minus 1, that is v into dy dx of x square plus 1, that is u, minus x square plus 1 into dy dx of x square minus 1, whole divided by x square minus 1 whole square. So this is same as dy by dx equals to x square minus 1 into derivative of x square is, it is u plus v, derivative of x square is 2x and 1 is constant 0, minus of x square plus 1 into derivative of x square minus 1 is again u minus v, x square is 2x, 1 is 0, whole divided by x square minus 1 whole square. So this will be dy by dx equals to x square minus 1 into 2x, x square into 2x is 2x cube, minus 1 into 2x is minus 2x, x square into 2x is 2x, minus is outside, minus 2x cube, 1 into 2x is 2x, minus outside, minus 2x, whole divided by x square minus 1 whole square. This plus 2x cube minus 2x cube will get cancelled. So it is minus 4x minus 2x is minus 4x divided by x square minus 1 whole square.